like we're going to go through another shutdown, right? If we go hit another shutdown, I think there's a couple things that are good. We learned how to deal with the shutdown, right? So we did that, and it seemed like it's okay. Masks are on, and fewer employees, and everybody's multitasking, and we're selling more, and it costs less, and all that. I got all that part. So we're not going to have to learn how to do that again. But if we go into another shutdown, and let's say different things that happened before happen again, this could be weird. And what that really is going to do is put more pressure on these cars that currently are halfway unsellable. The only thing I believe that could come to the rescue, which is a disaster for society, but an unbelievable gift to the car dealer, is the factory shutdown. The factory shut down, and next thing you know, we got another scarcity of cars. That would enable an absorption of all these like less than what you would call stupendous cars that are floating in the inventory right now, and enable a rerun of April, May, June potentially, because that's what they're talking about, I guess. Some of these European brands are going to be shutting down, and if it happens to touch Detroit, right, we're going to be doing nobody knows what cars are worth, but everybody's trying to buy them because they don't have any cars to sell. Therefore, they got to buy whatever exists. I don't know what everybody else is hearing, but I'm trying my best to pay attention to this. Manheim said they're going back to in-lane sales in a few auctions. I don't believe that's going to happen. Not with what's going on now, we're in Ontario and in Texas and in California and so forth. We got these things skyrocketing again. It seems to me that we're going the opposite direction. So thank God everybody's how to sell a car on simulcast and buy a car on simulcast. But that is not necessarily going to resolve the, let's call it the desirability of certain categories of cars until there becomes a scarcity of new cars again.